So today is actually a day where we are going to Reffen, which is a wonderful food market that you guys should check out. I think it's by the river, and yeah, it's just a nice place to chill and check out when you are in Copenhagen. So how do I do this? I scan it, I think.
And then click on Angie. Do a 1 hour pass.
1 hour pass, 39 kroner. Okay, sending code. Okay. Hello Explorer, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. So today is another bike day and it's a Friday here in Copenhagen. So what we've done is we've decided to just rent a bike. If you saw from my last video, we actually borrowed Cressa's sister's bicycles, but now we've decided to just rent one because we are not sure if we are going to actually get some drinks later, so it's better to just have... Oh, I already took it.
Is that... Oh, you took this bike?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so there's another girl looking for another bike, but I took the one in here. Yeah, just gives us the freedom to either walk around, leave the bike somewhere else. If you guys want to know the details of how to rent this type of bike, the donkey bike here in Copenhagen, I'll leave the details below. But for now, my time's running, so let's get going. So while waiting for the others, I'll just let you guys know how much 1 hour costs. It's around 359 pesos that was credited to my credit card, so cheaper than Uber. And you get to see the city, so I think it's a win-win. All right, we have made it here, and total bike time for me was 52 minutes. So 1 hour was just enough. And guys, just around the corner from Reffen is Paddle Yard Reffen. It's just across me. But I don't know, it seems closed. You can see this place is really hip. It's got like, I don't know, a lot of cool paintings. It's just really, yeah, it's different from what I've been showing you from the other vlogs. First thing I see is Manila Street Barbecue and Bao. Guys, this place is actually really massive. I didn't expect it to have this many food stalls and a lot of, yeah, just different options. And I've been walking and taking videos and it's still going on. Advice from the Danes is this gets really full. So if you want to come here, especially in the weekend, make sure you come here before 12 noon because apparently the lines even reach outside. And I'll show you guys, like, look how much space there is. So much space, so many places to eat, but yet if you come at the wrong time, you still have to wait in line. So advice is, yeah, come here early, just before lunch or just right after lunch, and also just before dinner time. That would be good. We found a cozy spot in the shade, so it's perfect. Is this open on weekdays? Yeah. Okay, so it's weekdays as well. And today's a Friday, so yeah. Don't know what I should be eating. What are you gonna eat?
I don't know.
You don't know yet?
More than one place.
Yeah, same.
It's nice getting like a few things.
True. I don't know what that's eating.
What? What am I eating?
Eating her Filipino papa.
I'm not eating Filipino. I didn't come all the way to Copenhagen to eat Filipino food. And I'd probably be disappointed because it's not going to be the same.
Yeah, probably.
Alright, we are going to move because we found a cozier spot by the river. So we're gonna move there. So my dilemma now is figuring out what I want to eat because everything looks so good. You have food from different countries, specialties, and while I'm babysitting and the others are finding what food to choose, I'm just going to like scan the stalls that I found interesting. I don't know, maybe... I don't know yet. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Too late. Too late. What's mine? Caipirinha?
Careful here. Careful, careful. Easy.
Caipirinha. Water? Alright, so we have decided that maybe the best thing to do is get a few different dishes from a few different stalls. So apparently the dim sum and bao is really good. Let's get dim sum and bao, like a few shawmai servings.
You have a sour or barbecue sauce, or no, sorry, chili sauce, like spicy chili.
Yo,
How can you explain the chili in
sweet chili sauce.
No, the spicy one that we normally get.
Sesame oil, or oil, any oil-based chili. You have
You know it?
chili oil. Chili oil.
Okay. Well, it's just not just the oil. I don't know how to explain
It's chili oil.
it. Okay.
Yeah.
Just that.
All right. While Cress is finishing up there, let me find the second spot to get food. Ribs. Ooh, Canadian food shack. The rib dog. Thai? No, maybe because we already have Hong Kong food. Maybe not Thai. Fish and chips? Maybe too basic. Well, they have tikka masala and this Indian bites. Should we get Indian or it won't really match? Okay, I might be getting the Canadian food. Let me see. Fish and chips? Not really.
For George.
He wants fish and chips?
I don't know.
I think he wants something.
I was gonna tease him and say fish and chips.
What is this? This is
Okay.
Afghan food. Oh, I like this meat and rice bowl actually. This looks really good. Chicken wrap also looks good. Okay, so I don't know. Wait, I want something that we could share. Do you want the Danish stall?
I mean, coming to Denmark, one of the reasons why I miss Danish food. So
All right, maybe get something. Maybe get something Danish then, just for the hello.
Got pommes frites for two.
Are you gonna get any of the sausages?
I was just gonna get French fries.
Okay.
You want sausage?
No, maybe empanadas. They have like a complete empanada stall, so that might be an option. Dulce de leche. Leche and banana. Get your frites. Okay, I'll just walk around a bit more. Just find me here. Then you have the Greek area. Now I want something more. It's a long line though in the Greek, so it must be really good.
It's a plate with beef, one chorizo, salad, and potato.
What? Choose one.
What's more popular?
And for your first time,
Yeah.
the steak salmon.
Steak salmon.
You want a beef?
One.
Yes, of course. Sure.
Now we walk back with all the food we've ordered.
Oh, you'll add a bit more? Okay.
Keep it more spicy sauce.
Okay.
You're fine with that?
Yeah.
Maybe try like
No, he already flew a lot.
What did you do?
This is good. So I asked them for dessert, and they gave me this little tiny Nutella coffee thing. See. It's good though. It's actually really thick, so I think this size is enough.
okay, yeah.
Can we just take it easy for a second? Expert.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed touring Reffen, and if you want to visit one day, just please check the schedule because I'm not actually sure if it's open during the winter time. But I had a lot of fun choosing different foods here. We actually ate a lot more and had a few more drinks after that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the tour around here, and I hope that it's also one of the suggestions and one of the places you will visit when you are in Copenhagen. Anyways, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next adventure.